Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Sometimes you may get an error message while trying to open Computer Management MNC.exe that this app has been blocked for your protection in Windows 10. This means a administrator has been blocked you to run this app. In this tutorial I am going to show you all possible ways to fix this issue. It is very important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. Look, I am trying to open Computer Management. Right click on Start menu, click Computer Management. Look, I can't open Computer Management and it shows the message, this app has been blocked for your protection. Okay, I'm trying again. Right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management. Yes, it shows the message again, this app has been blocked for your protection. Okay, close this window. Go to search bar and type services. And open the services console. Now double click on cryptographic services. Okay, the cryptographic services property console has been opened. Now check the status type is automatic and service status is running. If not, you have to set status type is automatic and start the service manually. Okay, now click on log on. Please check the network service account and password are exist. If not, please set this. Now close this window. Now go to search bar, type CMD and run command prompt as administrator. Now type dism.exe space / online space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health. Restore health. Okay, now hit enter. This process will take some time. Okay, the restore operation completed successfully. Now close command prompt. Now go to search bar, type REGEDIT and run registry editor as administrator. Now expand PHP local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows. Then current version. Now expand policies. Now click on system. Now double click enable LUA. And change the value data from 1 to 0. Then click OK. If you see it do not have any effect on this issue, double click enable anyway again and change value data from 1 to 0. So 0 to 1. As because 1 was default, then click OK. Now close the registry editor. Now go to search bar, type CMD and right click on command prompt and run as administrator. In CMD type sfc /scan now. Now hit enter. Verification has completed. This process will take few minutes more. Okay, the scan process has been completed. Look, the verification 100% completed. Windows resource protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Okay, now close command prompt. Now restart your PC. Now check. Right click on start menu, click on computer management. Yes, I can open computer management right now. This is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful for you.